Today we will be starting with the experiments in fluid machines and fluid power lab. The part that we are considering is fluid machines. Fluid machines is a general term used for all machines that handle liquids and gases. Machines which convert either hydraulic energy into mechanical energy, which is further converted into electrical energy, are hydraulic machines. The classification includes, if it is energy consideration, then the machines that supply energy to fluids can be termed as pumps and compressors. Machines that extract energy from the fluids can be termed as turbines, that is including steam, gas and water. Machines that combines both are energy transmitters and torque converters. Another way of classification can be increase in pressure, for example pumps, compressors, fans and propellers. If it is decrease in pressure, then turbines and windmills. Turbines are hydraulic machines which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy, like Pelton turbine, Kaplan turbine, Francis turbine. Pumps, hydraulic machines which convert mechanical into hydraulic energy. Under pumps, it can be centrifugal pump. Mechanical energy is converted into pressure energy by means of a centrifugal force acting on a fluid. Reciprocating pump, mechanical energy is converted into hydraulic energy by sucking the liquid into a cylinder in which a piston is reciprocating, which exerts the thrust on a liquid and increases its pressure. Hence, in FMFP theory subject, you have turbo machines. Thus, turbo machine is a device in which energy transfer occurs between a flowing fluid and a rotating element due to a dynamic action resulting in a change in pressure and momentum of a fluid. Hence, mechanical energy transfer occurs into or out of a turbo machine, usually in a steady flow. The applications here includes electric power generation, rocket propulsion and vehicular propulsion for civil and military usage. Then what do we have in our lab equipments? We have turbines, Pelton turbine, Francis turbine and Kaplan turbine. Under pumps, we have single cylinder two-stage reciprocating pump, centrifugal pump. We have air compressor and air blower. Thus, the first experiment that we will be conducting on air blower test rig. Aim of the experiment here is to conduct an experiment on centrifugal air blower to study its characteristics like volumetric discharge, input power, output power and efficiency. Thus, the equipment here we require is centrifugal air blower setup. Centrifugal air blower consists of a rotor or an impeller that rotates, causing air flow by a centrifugal action. The air usually enters the impeller at the axis and leaves at the tip in a direction determined by angle of the impeller blades. Upon leaving the tip, the air flows through a volute chamber. This is a volute chamber, sometimes provided with a vane diffusing casing, and the vane diffusing casing utilizes the part of the kinetic energy of the outflowing fluid and raises its static pressure at this volute chamber. The volute chamber collects all the fluid at a constant velocity and leads to the diverging discharge pipe that may provide a more diffusive action. So this is the working principle of a centrifugal air blower. The conduction of the experiment will be explained by Satyagiri sir.